Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the QR so your phone can read it. Open the camera or a reliable QR app now. Make sure your device has an active internet connection and enough battery, because the next step launches the Play Store. Once done, point the camera steadily at the code and allow autofocus. You'll see a URL or card appear. Tap that suggestion immediately. That action is the bridge from scanning to opening the Play Store entry you want. You'll now confirm the link that the scanner shows. Tap the result to follow it. If the system asks which app to use, choose Play Store and select always or just once depending on preference. Once you tap, wait for the Play Store app to load the specific listing. This can take a few seconds. Make sure to check that the app name and publisher match what you expect. This verifies trust and prevents opening the wrong app. If it's correct, proceed to view or install. You finish by interacting with the Play Store page. Tap Install, Open, or follow any in-app prompts. If the QR scan didn't produce a link, first clean the camera lens and steady your hands, then reframe the code at varied distances. QR readers need contrast and focus. If that still fails, take a screenshot of the code and use a decoder app or upload it to a trusted QR reader. This bypasses camera errors. Finally, confirm the Play Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.